Hi everyone, my name is Marciano and on this video I'm gonna tell you how to make a simple hydraulic machine. To make this, you have to prepare a few things, such as ice cream stick, iron wire, but if you don't have it, you can also use thumbtack, skewer or something similar, syringe, a glass of water, and cardboard. The first step is make a small hole in the left, middle, and right side of the stick. You can use the thumbtack to do it. Combine two sticks with jabbing the thumbtack in the middle of both sticks and do the same thing to the other pair. Combine all sticks with jabbing the thumbtack in the right and the left side of the pair. Make two of it. Now, place the skewer in the bottom and top of the pair. Don't forget to be careful while doing this. Combine it with the other pair by doing the same thing. And voila! The first step is done. The next step will be explained by Chayo.
Hello, my name is Nurcahyo Fajar and now I will explain the next step. Let's go! Prepare cardboard and scissors. Cut the cardboard into 3 pieces. Prepare 2 seeds and connect with a hose. Prepare a glass filled with water. Dissolve the dye into the water and stir. Suck the water using the scenes until it's full. Prepare the cardboard that has been cut and the frame that we created earlier. Stick the frame to the cardboard using a glue. Use hot glue gun for better results. Take the injection and attach it to the skeleton stem. Also, attach the cardboard to the top of the frame as a stand. Stick the other injection on the cardboard as a control device. Simple hydraulic machine, ready to use.